So my iPhone, even after 1 year of usage, how come it's still maintained at 100% battery health? So let me tell you in this video. So do you have a doubt that wireless charging is good for your phone or not? And does your phone also generates a lot of heat while charging? And do you know those settings by which you can get almost 2 to 3 hours of extra battery backup? So let us start with our first battery tip. So you must be already knowing about the optimized charging feature in your phone, but maximum people do not know about how to use it properly. So let me show you how I use this feature. So I used to keep my phone for charging almost same time every day. And within just few days, my phone understood what exactly is my charging pattern. And you can see here now, my phone, instead of getting fast charge in just 2 hours, has now shifted to slow charging overnight. And now instead of taking 2 hours, it takes almost 4 to 6 hours to charge my phone at night. And because of that, my phone battery health also is maintained quite well. And even you can see here, my iPhone has notified me about the optimized battery charging. And even you can take the benefit of this by charging your phone almost same time every day. So now let's talk about our next battery tip. So wireless charging these days have become quite popular. And it's also very convenient to use for all of us. But did you know, if you use wireless charging every day, it can even harm your phone's battery? Because wireless chargers use almost 30 to 40% more power to charge your phone. And because of that, it generates much higher heat as compared to a wired charger. And this can be quite harmful for your battery if you are using it every day for long hours. So I know wireless charging is quite a convenient feature, but instead of using it every day, you can definitely use it once in a while. So do you know you can actually check out which all apps are tracking your daily activities? Like what all do you browse, what apps do you use more often, and even when you are on which location. And this data they use to target you ads and even use it for many other things. And this thing even consumes a lot of battery in your background. But you can actually disable it as well. For this, you just need to go in your settings, click on privacy, and then go to tracking. And here you can see all the apps which are tracking your activity. So you can disable it individually app-wise, or you can turn it off completely as well. Sorry Facebook. So now let's talk about our next step. So mostly our iPhones stay in light mode in daytime and turns into dark mode in night times. And here I want to tell you that iPhone consumes 20 to 30% less battery in dark mode. So while using your iPhone, if you are quite comfortable with both the modes, I would like to recommend you that you completely switch your iPhone into a dark mode. And with that, you will not only get 1 to 2 hours of extra battery life throughout the day, even your eyes will stay quite safe. So in the next battery trip, Apple recommends that you should use your phone on Wi-Fi as much as possible. Because when compared to the mobile data, Wi-Fi consumes much less power. So if Wi-Fi is available regularly in your home or your office, then you can keep your Wi-Fi mode continuously on. And because of this, whenever you go to a Wi-Fi range, your phone will automatically switch to a Wi-Fi mode and your phone will use your battery quite efficiently. And you know how much data I have saved by doing this? I can watch a complete Netflix series on my mobile data. So now let's talk about our next tip. So you must have noticed a lot of times that your phone gets slightly heated up while charging. And this happens because whenever you keep your phone completely from 0%, your phone tries to get charged at a very fast speed, which generates a lot of heat. So here I would like to tell you a very simple trick. You should keep your phone on charging before it reaches 25 to 30% of battery. And with this, your phone will get heat up quite less and even your phone's battery health will stay quite well. So now let's talk about our next battery tip. So we all know apps like Swiggy, Zomato or Uber uses our location to reach us quite easily. But there are a lot of other apps which actually do not require our location information. But they still end up using our location in the background. And because of this, our battery keeps draining in the background throughout the day. And you also must have noticed this location icon on the top of your screen. So you can disable this location access individually app-wise as well. You just need to go to your settings and in privacy, you need to click on location services. And you can check here whichever app doesn't require your location access, you can go inside and disable the access. And for some apps, you can even change the settings to while using as per your requirement. And because of this, your battery will not get overused continuously. So now let's talk about our battery's biggest enemy, and that is heat. So here Apple recommends that you should keep your phone's temperature under 35 degrees Celsius. So here I would like to suggest you that you should never keep your phone directly under sunlight or slightly at hotter environments, like on the top of your car dashboard or in your kitchen. This can even permanently damage your phone's battery. So here I would also like to tell you that whenever you use a third-party charger, your phone gets heated up slightly more as compared to an original Apple charger. So your Apple original charger not only will charge your phone quite fast, it will generate much lesser heat as compared to any other charger. And we have even tested this real time by charging the iPhones by Apple charger and the top third-party chargers. So if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can check out the videos here. So thank you for now. I will see you in the next video.